Today, we're diving into PearAI, an AI-driven code editor that promises to enhance your coding experience. But with so many tools out there, is it really worth your time and money? Let's find out together. PearAI positions itself as an AI code editor designed to assist developers by providing intelligent code suggestions, error detection, and even automated code completion. The interface is sleek and intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned coders to navigate. What's interesting is how it integrates machine learning to adapt to your coding style over time, which could potentially save hours of debugging. However, while the concept is solid, there are a few areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the specifics of its AI capabilities aren't fully detailed on their site. It's not immediately clear how well it handles different programming languages or frameworks. And while the user experience seems polished, some features might feel limited for advanced users who are looking for more robust tools or integrations. Overall, it's intriguing, but there's a sense that it might not fully deliver on all fronts. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, PearAI's user interface is clean and user-friendly, which is great for newcomers. Its AI-driven suggestions can be a game changer for speeding up the coding process. But there are definitely some drawbacks to consider. One major frustration is the lack of detailed information on its language support and advanced features. Additionally, some users might find it doesn't cater well to more complex coding tasks. Price-wise, it's not the cheapest option out there, which might make some users hesitate, especially if they're unsure about its capabilities. Overall, while it's a promising tool, it may not suit everyone, particularly those with more advanced coding needs. So, is PearAI worth it? If you're a beginner or someone looking for a straightforward coding assistant, it could be a great fit. However, seasoned developers might want to explore other options that offer more depth. It's worth a try if you're curious, but approach it with a bit of caution.